Hey, what's up? So, happy Monday, everybody. I know you're seeing what's in my background, but yes, I'm gonna share with you my experience with this rising star. Actually, he's one of the bankable stars actors right now in his generation. And thanks to Maria Clara at Ibarra, maging sino ka man, pulang araw, that kind of love. Yes, my friend, you are right. I'm speaking of David Licauco. This message was way back September 2021. This was when I met him at Trinoma. Ito yung kasagsagan ata ng series nila ni Julie Ann San Jose na Heartful Cafe. I was able to approach him because I know from a distance na siya yun. Alam ko yung itsura niya. So, because I worked for NGO before, and one of the things that we would do is to approach people. And it so happened that our booth was situated in one of the areas near the elevator papunta sa approaching the parking lot. Okay? And you know what? Itong nakikita ninyo na very nonchalant vibe ni David Licauco sa ngayon, even though tinatamasan yung isa sa pinakasikat na status ngayon dito sa Philippines sa male star is already nonchalant. So when I spoke with him during that time, it was like 2 or 3 minutes. He was listening. He was intending to really support the program for the cause that that I've explained to him, but apparently hindi na siya nakapag-support that time kasi sobrang nagmamadali. But I don't know if he can still remember this. But David, if you can still remember this one, na ako yung nakausap mo sa Trinoma, you even gave me your cellphone number, but my phone was lost yung isa, so I messaged you here dito sa Instagram. And true enough, yung mga sinasabi ng mga people about kay David Licauco, nonchalant, yes, he has been, but I like his demeanor. It's professional. At the same time, very elegant. Siya manamit. Hindi siya ganun kagapuhan, maybe, noong mga panahong yun. Maybe because dahil hindi pa siya ganun kasikat. Kaya hindi rin naman ako ganun ka-physically scrutinizing. Guwapo! Putik. Yeah, but I believe what's happening sa kanya ngayon, it's all because of his hard work, dedication, persistence, at the same time, yung belief level sa sarili niya. Even though there are times that we feel like he doesn't believe in his capacity or in his talent prowess, but he has it. He just needs someone to really, parang push him and so he can tap his best potential. And I believe na kung ano man ang nangyayari sa kanyang career ngayon with Barbie Forteza, same with Barbie Forteza, they're just meant for each other. And this story, this situation, this whole fiasco reminds me of Dong Yan's love team. I know they were paired for Marimar, but that was phenomenal. They had partners before Marimar, but only Marimar that they were able to capture the spotlight and the stardom that only few could ever reach. Together, silang dalawa, one of the most sought after love teams of all time in the Philippine industry. If GMA would capitalize on this streak of winning strategy with Barda, they deserve to have more. Yeah, I believe it's needed for them to be separated somehow, work-wise, but strike while the iron is hot. That's how you can work things and propel everyone to stardom, just like what happened in the previous relationships that were so good, so high, and so successful. Yeah? So it's a call for GMA. GMA, I hope you know what you're doing, because what I'm actually reading and hearing from a lot of noise and news is that you are going to separate them. There's no problem with that. But I think it has to be strategically laid out para at least ma-maximize natin, because they're not gonna be forever. They're not gonna be hot. They're not gonna be an item, so to speak, because it can can only last for quite some time. At some point, it will go down, it will die down, mag-subside yung excitement ng mga people, and it will become history. But right now, they're selling, they are as hot as pancake. So maximize it, but of course give them the opportunity to really breathe, and then believe in their capacity. But at the same time, I think what I'm looking forward right now is that I hope that David would continue to show what kind of a person he has been, even though the spotlight, the stardom, and the popularity is upon him. I hope that he would take care what has been given to him. I know he's a business guy, but Barbie Forteza, this chance with Barbie Forteza, I'm not hoping that you guys will be together, but why not kung kayo talaga para sa isa't isa, because anything can happen. But if you want a happy ever after, I think Barbie Forteza is the one that deserves to be taken care of, not to be taken advantage of. I'm sorry about Jack, okay? I have no direct contact or experience na nakausap or nakilala or na-meet si Jack. I think he's a good guy, but in relationship, it really can fall apart. Some good things need to fall apart so better things can come up and can happen. And maybe 7 years may not be enough for you to be together, because at the end of the day, love is not about finding someone to live with, but it's about finding someone that we cannot imagine living without. You know what I mean? So, Jack, I'm sorry, bro, what's happened to your relationship, but I also believe that this might be a chance for you to redeem yourself. Maybe you were lost along the way, and maybe Barbie, has come into a realization that you both are not coinciding, hindi kayo nagdi-meet, and I hope that you remain friends on professional about this matter, because moving forward, makikita pa din kayo. But guys, yes, if you are listening right now, please, wag natin i-romanticize ang love. If cheating is there, if disrespect is there, if you are not valued, if you are not given the importance that you deserve, then it's time to leave. Because what's the point of keeping a relationship while every day you are dying? You know? So David, thanks man for that opportunity na nakausap kita. I'm not a super love team fanatic, but what I'm seeing right now, what I am observing right now, sincerity, commitment to this of your working relationship, the authenticity of your emotions and your feelings towards each other, I think you deserve more together as Barda. Yeah, baka maging Barda na rin ako nito, no? Who knows? But yeah, kudos to Pulang Araw. What a magnificent show. That kind of love. I watched it twice already, and I still get kilig, you know? I think Barda na ako, guys. So yeah, that's it. You guys take care, and don't forget to love yourself first. Prioritize yourself first, because everything else will follow, and you will gravitate those who deserve you. Have a good day. Bye.